We are Pacific Steel. Iron sand is our source. People are our strength. A local manufacturer employing local talent. Supporting local communities for over 50 years. Making seismic reinforcing products with stringent testing and health and safety at heart. Reinforcing the future. Making New Zealand a stronger, more connected place. Diverse people getting the job done when it needs to be done. Being resilient, even when things get tough. Doing what's right by our community and for future generations. Strength that's always there when you need it. Our strength comes from within.